this point in the service, we're going to turn the page and go into a more contemplative sort of vibe. I'm going to ask you to turn your phones off now. In the center of this section of the service is a silent meditation. We want to keep that silence as deep as possible, so that means no phone calls, please, or Twitter notifications or whatever it is. Thank you. We'll use a chant to go into our silence, and before then we'll have a reading from Johnnie Woods.
A reading from the Daily Word. Divine light. Even when the day outside is cloudy or rainy, divine light shines through me at all times. Turning within puts me in contact with my divine essence. I become aware of all the radiance that comes from within me. There is always an abundance of sunshine glowing in my heart and mind. The light of my being dispels all shadows. My soul is full of light. I am a channel through which God is expressing. There is so much joy and warmth in me that I just have to share it. When I feel the need of specific guidance, the way to receive it is to become still within and turn to God. The best assurance of spiritual guidance is to remain close to God in consciousness. Then I am ready for any unexpected turn of events. Then I am ready to make the daily decisions that mean so much to the harmonious outworking of life. My sunny perspective is contagious. It lifts up those around me and puts them in contact with their own light. Divine light exudes from me to brighten the world. And from Matthew 5:14, you are the light of the world.